Do you know ABCD? Let's get started.
Hi, Stephen. I heard of the news of ChatGPT recently. Knowing that it's related to artificial intelligence, I'm so surprised of its innovative capability.
The application of new technology will truly disrupt our work and life in the coming 3 years.
Really? I'm not aware of its impact. I think I should quickly pick up new knowledge about different technologies.
Did you browse through different demonstrations about the reply and speed of ChatGPT via online?
Yes. I found that the display of result, based on the questions asked, was incredible. They're detailed with qualityed output.
The speed of completing different tasks is also impressive. The bot's response is just within several seconds.
It's a big help to me if I can get the useful information instantly. There is no need for me to search for different sources and read different articles.
Right. For answering questions of existing knowledge, summarizing content, and generating content for some topics, ChatGPT can definitely raise your efficiency. By the way, do you know ABCD? If you would like to enrich your knowledge of emerging technologies, I guess that you should have come across these terms.
ABCD? Let me think about it.
They're the hot elements for innovation and have been widely discussed.
Sorry. What are they standing for?
I don't think you've no idea of it. How come?
Is B standing for big data?
Not exactly. B stands for blockchain.
Can you let me know their full meaning?
Sure. For ABCD, the first letter stands for artificial intelligence. B stands for blockchain. C stands for cloud computing. D stands for big data.
It's not bad that I've mentioned big data.
You should be able to guess artificial intelligence. ChatGPT is one of the examples of adopting artificial intelligence technology, covering machine learning.
Cool. It's a smart brain that can understand human languages and communicate in a way that is similar to normal human conversation.
ChatGPT is actually a machine consisting of AI algorithms that can learn and improve the accuracy over time. The beauty of AI is to automate procedure and complete the tasks with high degree of accuracy intelligently. In the future, taxi or truck drivers will be replaced because autonomous driving is able to support the same function or service. Once the route of starting and ending point is entered, the fastest route can be set for avoiding traffic jam. Customer service representatives of different industries will also be replaced because chatbot is able to provide correct, consistent, and intelligent reply. Even for medical industry, surgical robot with AI capability can achieve brilliant performance in terms of precision and safety.
For the second letter B, I guess that Bitcoin was something related to blockchain. Correct?
Yes. There are so many different applications for blockchain due to its transparency and trackability. In banking industry, the process of submitting international payment, mortgage, and trade finance application will all be benefited by using blockchain technology in terms of lower cost, higher efficiency, and simplifying operational procedure.
Hey. I know that NFT, namely non-fungible token, is also using blockchain technology.
Next, C is cloud computing. Nowadays, it's common that more companies rent servers, storage, and databases from the third-party companies offering cloud services. Digitalization is also the trend of business development. By adopting cloud services, business can purchase on-demand services rather than building in-house technology infrastructure. It can help lowering cost while raising security level and increasing flexibility when expanding infrastructure is required.
That's right. I can't see any reason why companies set up their own servers, placing at their offices now.
The last one is D. That is, big data. Data is always the important asset of every company. The use of data for performing analysis can help digging out the insights and defining strategy of business development. What's the meaning of big? In the past, data may include customers' transaction record only. Nowadays, data can be collected from different social media platforms and mobile devices. The data becomes big because the volumes are large, with different formats, including text, audio, and video, running in 24 hours per day.
Facing the challenge of an ocean data, it's a complicated issue.
Hence, companies require the big data solution to provide them insights for solving existing problem. Hey, are you clear of the importance and implication of ABCD now?
Yes. In order not to lag behind the technologies, I think I should keep a close eye on the relevant news.
You can subscribe some of the technology channels that introduce latest applications of these core technologies.
Sure. Got it. And I'll do so.
A very good start, and please keep it up. We should embrace technology because it's impacting our daily life. Talk to you next time.